I just have to do my warm-up.
We might be in trouble.
I told you! Welcome to the mean streets of San Francisco.
All right, Aaron. I was thinking back, reminiscing to the thousands of games of skate we've played over the years, and the one, maybe two times that I have successfully defeated you.
I believe it was one. I don't remember two.
Yeah, I know. I'm being a little generous with my number there.
So I'm thinking, was that one
There was that one. Yeah, I know. I'll never forget. So I'm thinking the only way I have a chance right now in my current state is with a bit of a handicap here.
There was another time though. Gabe knows every weakness that I have.
I do.
And there was one time where I hadn't skated for a little while. He practiced all of his heel flip variations. He came out swinging, half cab heel, backside heel.
Yeah,
and he was like,
right.
like, he took me down to the wire. I was sweating, I was bleeding.
Yeah, and then I just mentally freak out, and the pressure gets too, the lights get too bright.
Yeah, the lights get too bright.
That's it, you know.
Not
everyone can beat Tyrese Halliburton in the NBA playoffs. If you know, you know. But I'm thinking
it's like Jeremy Mraz.
I'm thinking I get 2 tries for every defensive trick.
2 tries every defense.
And 4 tries on final trick.
Okay.
Game of skaters.
Game of skaters, 2 tries on every defense, 4 tries on last trick.
You think that's fair?
I think that's fair.
Okay.
I don't even think you need that.
May the better man win. Just kidding.
Ah!
Okay.
We did anything counts, but not everything counts. I just have to do my warm-up.
It's a beautiful day in the city.
I think I just pulled 12 hamstrings. Okay, we're gonna start off with something really good. I have to do this before he does this on me.
There's no way. Oh man. Oh
Stop
man.
it, Aaron.
Oh, we might be in trouble. We might be in trouble. The only way that this can go right for me is if I just land one so good and just throw it right back at you. So I'm gonna go right there in that middle square.
I mean, it wasn't clean. God dang it! Okay, that was good. That was too good. That was ice cold good.
Man, that trick just feels so good. That might be my favorite trick.
You know what else feels really good?
Fakey heel flip.
I got one better for you then.
Okay. Oh, he's been practicing.
Oh, why didn't I land that? I should have landed that. Should have, would have, and could have landed that.
And you know what's funny is I already forgot I get 2 tries on defense. So even if I missed the first one, I still could have landed on you.
100%.
Oh, I love this.
But he didn't need to.
Oh, I love this.
That's what I said. He don't even need 2 tries.
Oh, yeah.
I thought he was going for something so hard.
Oh, yeah.
His setup, his prep, and this guy does an ollie. It's a good ollie, though. I told you, do not go in this area ever again. Welcome to the mean streets of San Francisco. The chances of you popping in that one spot.
I could do that 100 times and not have that happen again.
That is 1 in a billion right there.
The universe just told me everything I needed to hear about my strategy there, so.
You think you're gonna do every ollie variation?
I mean, you never know, that could happen to you.
It's true, it could happen to me, but it won't.
Oh, nice. Nollie back 1.
Wow.
Woo! It's pretty good.
Okay, I learned this trick like a week ago.
Oh yeah.
If I can do it now, I'll be proud. Proud of myself.
Wow. Yeah, it's gonna take more than 2 tries for that one.
I thought he was gonna hit the crack again.
That would have been funny. All right, one more.
What we should do is we should play all heel flips. Like I have to do only heel flips and you can do any tricks.
That'd be good. We'll be here all day. He's throwing me off by going in that square.
Yes, sir. He's looking good in the neighborhood.
Oh, that was fire. I don't know what it was about that. That was nice. I like that a lot. Whoa, now. Whoa, now.
Watch yourself.
Okay.
Okay, with the steez, the breeze.
That felt smooth, boy.
That was too good, son. Wow, though.
I told myself I should have gone that way. That's why I have 1 more try.
You get 1 try for each direction. It's weird how the direction changes things, but it does.
Ow.
It's been a while.
It's been a while
since I said. Okay, this one is specifically designed for Gabriel Horacio Iglesias Cruz. Backside slider, baby. Wow.
Defense?
No, that was good. That was better than mine. Wasn't even defense. I'm out of tricks. I guess I should do a kickflip. Why is it so rocket?
Houston, we have liftoff.
Wow.
All right, yeah, I thought I was gonna land primo and get bodied right there.
But
so
you didn't.
Glad I didn't.
This is the Gabe Cruz special trick. Special meter, full. This is Gabe Cruz.
Good Lord.
Woo!
I'm telling you, that was pretty. It's almost too much power in my hands to have 2 tries at a variable.
I knew that was gonna happen because of what he said. You ever played God of War? When the guy gets like mad, he's like,
That's gonna be me right now when I land this.
Gabriel?
I cannot believe this.
Nobody saw that.
I saw it, that's enough.
Okay, I need to think of a good trick.
Do your worst.
Do my worst? Okay. Switch. I just wanted to get the backside for the ladies out there.
Whoa.
Why can I not nollie all of a sudden?
Oh, you can't nollie, you said? No, oh, okay. Neither can I.
Got him. Boo.
Fork.
Gabe, 2 tries.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay, I got a good one.
Oh, now.
I need to stretch my ankle out. Stretch it out. Wow, son of a... Why do I feel like he's playing me like this is white men can't jump?
Just want that on the record. That might be one of the best trays I've ever done.
Literally.
Bro, that was unbelievable.
That was one of the worst I've ever done. Yeah, little fakey fleas with the stees. It's one of my faves, the fakie.
It's too easy for him.
That one I cannot get. Nah, that was good.
Now let me redo.
Redo. Wow, boy, what do you mean? What was wrong with that?
I heel drag now. I know the potential I have with this trick.
It's true, that's true.
Fork.
He should have taken both of those. That was almost 100% guaranteed to get me a letter. But he kept going, trying to give me the easy W.
That tray flip, that's what skateboarding's about, bro. I'm still thinking about it. Like that in real time was like 5 minutes ago, and it's still all I can think about. That was unbelievable.
It was money.
I love when you just, I know I didn't look like that, but that's what it felt
You
like.
did look like that.
Oh.
Braille, right?
Yeah.
Thanks.
Yeah, you're welcome.
The videos
Absolutely.
Yeah, you're welcome.
out. Cool, I just want to come and say hi.
Yeah, thank you.
Absolutely.
Oh, cool, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Appreciate it.
Nice to meet you.
All
Enjoy your
thanks.
trip.
Your trick.
All right.
Dude.
Oh, you did the best one.
Having like a brain fart.
Okay, I got you. Woo! Yes, sir. I got it.
Oh, he wouldn't dare.
Easy money.
Easy money.
This is even easier than the regs.
Yeah.
Boy, you got that. You got that straight fire. Oh, boy.
Come on, Gabe. Yep,
Woo.
nice.
Gosh.
They're all there. It's just like,
It's just the rust.
yeah.
The rust is coming off.
I'm cheating so hard on this. I thought you were going tray double or revert.
Boy! I can't.
Oh my gosh. Send me out in honor.
Why is that freaking me out? Yeah! Okay, boy. Shee, that was good. I don't think I can do this, to be honest.
I think that's your first letter, no?
That's okay, I think so.
Hey, I got a letter.
Oh my gosh! What's wrong? I didn't pop the last one, I didn't pop this one. Oh no, he's doing it! He's doing it to me! He's doing every heel flip!
Ah, come on. Oh, I hate this rust. I'm so good at this and it's just not working. Gosh, it's so frustrating.
If I don't land this, he's probably gonna come back every letter and beat me. Why can't I do that? Dang, girl. He tried to do that to me. He tried. Said, I'll disco flip on your right now. What up?
Can I get a picture with you, please?
Sure.
I grew up on Braille.
Oh yeah, cool.
Thanks, dude.
Yeah,
What
yeah.
up, Gabe?
How you doing?
Chloe!
Gabe.
Gabe Cruz, you land that right here.
So
to the
bad.
principal's office.
I never wanted something more in my life.
Okay, that's it. I'm landing this like Tiago.
The 3-flip reverse guaranteed at this point. I just did that to myself. I wrote that story. I authored that one. It's on me.
Just make sure you guys watch the uncut grip tape video.
Yeah.
You got this.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna do it first tee. I don't even think I need 4.
Remember the pause. Oh, I forgot about the 4. You got it. Oh boy.
It feels good. All right, last try. Just need to wait a little bit longer, let the board do its work.
Oh! Boy, you have it!
That was a questionable noise that just came out of me right there. Yeah.
You're the best, Gabe Cruz. Next time, we're gonna play Aaron can only do heel flip variations.
Yeah.
And
I
Gabe
think
can do any variation.
the handicap's gonna be Aaron has to purposely miss every trick on defense, and I still might lose.
It's been a while
Thanks,
since I said. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and we'll see you in the next one. Keep skating!